Many people standing in front of a mirror, looking frustrated and unable to speak fluently. Are you struggling to speak English fluently? Several people struggling to express themselves in English. Don't worry, you're not alone. Now smiling confidently into the mirror. There are many ways to improve your speaking skills on your own. 1. Listen to English speakers, watch English movies, TV shows or videos, and observe how native speakers use the language. This will help you learn intonation, pronunciation and vocabulary. 2. Read aloud. Pick up a book or an article and read it out loud. This will help you get comfortable with the sound of your own voice while also improving your pronunciation. 3. Record yourself. Use your phone or any recording device to listen to your own voice. This will help you identify areas for improvement. 4. Practice with online resources. There are several online resources and platforms that help you connect and practice with other English learners. 5. Join a conversation club. This is a great way to meet other learners and practice together. 6. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, making mistakes is part of the learning process. With these tips, you'll be on your way to speaking fluent English in no time.
Thanks for watching.